it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go.
Hi my loves, what is up? Today's video is going to be a DIY, an amazing DIY that I did in my room. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become part of the fam and give your thumbs up because it really helps out. So this DIY is a project that I'm going to be redoing my room probably before the end of spring. I want everything done. The room is like a dungeon. It's just everything is dark, everything's hideous, everything's horrible, and it's not my style at all. This is all stuff that my fiance got, so that's why it's ugly. So anyways, I want to redo everything, but because of the wedding costs, we're spending so much, I have to do like a really low budget DIY. So I'm just going to revamp all the furniture in the room. The first DIY project is the most important, I think, and the biggest piece in the room, which is our bed. So it is a pretty good headboard, it's just the material I don't like at all. It's way too dark, it's a dust collector, and you see it, like you will wipe dust off and 2 seconds later it'll be covered in dust again. And sorry, the audio has nothing to do with a lot of the shots. I shot this all in Portuguese for my Portuguese channel, so I'm just using the shots that I did for that video to do it here in an English version for you guys. So I also wanted to show that this bed needed to be redone because it was like all nibbled on the corners and yeah, chewed up. Why? Because of this little puppy here. So that really had to be covered up. I wanted something lighter, so I ended up going to Fabricland and I got an amazing fabric on sale. I don't really remember how many meters it was, but I made sure I measured the bed and everything, and it cost me only 50 bucks. Basically what I did is I just used my staple gun and I stapled this fabric over the bed frame. That was basically it. I thought I was going to be able to get it done in one day, but no way, Jose. It is a hard job, so it took me about 2.5 days. We had to sleep on the floor in our mattress, but it's all good. It was worth it. Once I stapled everything, I also screwed in on points where those squares connected, so I have that like tufted headboard look. So I just used screws with my drill. I also bought some nails because when I did the sides of the bed, the wood was really tough, so it was hard to use the staple gun. So around the sides, I used nails.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
Then I got some buttons from Fabricline, and the first buttons I got did not work out because they had some kind of backing to them. So I had to go back, exchange, because it didn't work out gluing those on the headboard. And I had to get like flat back buttons so that they were easier to glue where I had the screws. Total, I spent $65. The fabric was like $50, and then staples I spent like around $4. The buttons I think were around $6, $7. Turned out amazing. Everyone was really shocked. My fiance was really shocked with the outcome. It looks store-bought. I just made sure everything was done properly, you know, that I had clean edges, no staples showing, and everything pulled and stretched out nicely. I think it came out really good. I'm so proud that I did this for like $65. If we were to buy this in a store, it would have been over $1,000 for sure. Also, we reused, so we made kind of our contribution to the world by not putting more waste out there, which I love as well. So I hope you guys like this DIY. I had a fun, amazing experience, and I'm super happy with the outcome. I'm glad I did this project for very little, and of course I'm gonna have way more DIY projects here on the channel because I have so many other things to do in our bedroom, all for cheap but glam and fabulous looking. So don't forget to subscribe to become part of the fam and give your thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next video. XOXO, mwah, love you guys, bye my loves.